Alright, so while the diff was out, I drained the fluid. I actually drained it out of the fill hole because it's on the backside, and I could just kind of tip it up and really make sure I got it all. And with the small amount that dipped out while the breather toes was being flipped around and whatever, I basically estimate it to be 1 quart. So I'm going to put 1 whole quart of new gear oil. 80W90 was what we looked up when I got there and picked this up. They couldn't tell me how much fluid was in it, and I wasn't certain, so I bought a couple more than I needed. But 1 quart is all it seems to be, and clearly, you know, 'twas time. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna actually pick it up on its end. Barely see it over here in the deck. Basically, I just set it up on its front. There's a little opening right there in the middle. Right there. And it is a 23, I think. $24. And that'll get you. Because the other one on the bottom, the drain one, is actually really kind of shitty. I mean, I wouldn't want to take it in and out too often if I could avoid it. But, so basically, you know, you can get one of these guys with the measuring on the side. You know that you empty all the fluid. You got a good baseline of what understanding of how much should be in there. And if it's a little bit more, a little bit less, I'm actually going to put it up. No, it's enough. I know it's enough. So I'm just going to pour a whole bottle in and call her a day, put the bolt in, and then I actually ended up getting the, well, I did the bushings for the stabilizing bar, which I got sitting around somewhere in here. Oh my god. The snake had bit me. I got these in successfully by myself, right? But the ones that I would call the rear control arm with the brake and the other mechanism, that one I actually took to Napa, and I had them press it out for me and put in the new one. I just gave them all the prerequisites. I gave them the old bushing, so it had the, you know, how far they were going to press it in, and then, yeah, so I would suggest to do the same, because that big one, for that was the hardest thing. You could definitely do the ones for the mount. They're the 3 bolts. Oh, it's too dark. Too dark. Alright, that's fine. Basically, I'll move along today, and we're going to put it all back together as soon as I get my pressed bushings back, or my control arm with the bushings pressed in. Wow. Yeah. Today's gonna be fun. Alright, so we're looking to line this baby up right here with this point right here. It's a little box square, and it's got a center hole in it. You can't see right now. Got it haphazardly set, but don't forget to put this rubber guy up on top of your new bushing. Now I've got it balanced basically here, and I'm going to put in the next bolt, but I'm going to do a little bit of 3-in-1 on this guy because he got a little rusty, so a little love, and then put her back in.